On this video, we're going to be taking a look at the Vevor 2-inch water pump. I'll have a link down below in the description so you guys can check it out. It comes with a small 25-foot hose. Comes with all the adapters and a screener that you may need. There we go, spark plug tool, some dampening feet. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go ahead and fill this thing up with oil, gasoline, start it up, and then I'll do a demonstration for you guys. All right, so this is low pressure. What you guys saw before was really high pressure, or the engine at full throttle. This isn't too bad. Yeah, it's enough to feed the garden and the trees and stuff, but this thing is very powerful. You can buy this hose at Harbor Freight. I'll also put a link for that down in the description below, but this is an adjustable nozzle, and just to show you guys, yeah, you can create a jet or you can create a sprinkler. This is a pretty cool little nozzle, but it still has pretty good lift, being that it's just on idle. So just to give you a demonstration, I'm going to say maybe that's like a 15-foot lift. And then at full pressure, it's about 150. Yeah. Pretty cool little pump. I'll go ahead and have the Amazon link down below so you guys can check it out. If you guys want to purchase one, go ahead and do it through the link, and that'll actually help out the channel. But anyways, I want to go ahead and thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys on the next one.